Yo, what's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another motherfucking video. And yeah, I know the screen didn't pause and it didn't say vlog number, whatever, because my computer broke, so I can't edit. So I'm literally editing on CapCut on my phone. Can y'all imagine that? I usually edit on Premiere Pro or fucking Sony Vegas, but for some reason, I gotta use CapCut. It's not up to me. It's up to, I guess, my computer gods. So I'm gonna order the part tonight or tomorrow, because it broke yesterday. So I've just been looking for what part is going to work, what one's going to be compatible with my computer and everything. And then we're going to be back in business, man. I need a GPU, by the way. So my graphics card went out, unfortunately. Need to cop like a, if y'all know computer stuff, I found a 3060 Ti that my homeboy put me onto. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But tonight, though, we just have a nice little M4 POV drive. We're going to go to the parking garage and we have a few errands to run. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And I promise you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like and comment what you would like to see down below. I appreciate all the support. We're at like 210 subscribers, something like that. It's crazy. We're going up like mad. I can't believe it. I'm really, really thankful for it. And just again, thank you guys so much. So if you guys are enjoying it, man, just make sure you guys hit that like button, that sub button, and I'll see you guys next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all these clips that I got for y'all tonight. I just want to show y'all the whip real quick. It's looking really, really good right now. Man, black looks good on any car. It makes any car look good. I mean, regardless, this car looks good, but like the black and the yellow DRLs, this shit just fucks as we speak. It just be fucking. But yeah, I just wanted to get y'all a nice little POV drive tonight. You know what I'm saying? Nighttime POV. Well, kind of dusk, but listen to the car. I know y'all hear them pops, man. This car sounds so fucking nasty, bro. I know y'all hear them turbos, bro. This car sounds so fucking good. It's crazy. Obviously, the car needs to warm up a bit because she's not that warm right now at all. And yeah, as y'all can see, we hit 9,015 miles. But more importantly, last night, we did hit 9,000 miles. With that 9,000 miles came a nice little fun time on the highway. All right, y'all, the car is warming up. It sounds good. It's starting to pop, crackle, and everything. We'll slow down a bit. I know I'm going over speed, shawty. Relax. I know it. Person in front of me is flying. I can't even lie. It's beautiful vibes out here though, y'all. Like New Jersey at this time of the year becomes like very bare, but in the process of it, it becomes like super pretty. There's Jesus. Got a Jesus statue in this motherfucker. But nah, that's straight vibes, man. I love this fucking car. To be honest, I don't see myself getting rid of this. And y'all hear the auto trans. Look how this shit shifts, bro. It's so smart. But I don't think I'll ever get rid of this car. I think this is one of the ones I will keep forever until, I don't even know, until death or until she part ways with me. You know what I'm saying? Can't always be up to me, but sometimes it's up to her. But I don't even want to say nothing like that. But nah, she's warming up. She's doing good and everything. All right, y'all, I folded. My phone fucking died. I don't even remember what I was saying. Regardless, I picked up a charger from CVS and I'm going to let my phone charge a bit, and then I'm going to hop up into this POV. I'm going to run into ShopRite while I'm at it. Might as well, you know what I'm saying, go grab some snacks, go grab some food. You know, I'm kind of hungry. I low-key have the munchies from earlier, so I'm low-key going to make something good for dinner tonight, I think. But regardless, I hope you guys are enjoying this content right now. I know it's kind of ass because the phone, because my phone died. But on my way home, you know what I'm saying, I'll get some good content. It'll be a nice little nighttime POV. And yeah, there's just so many people out right now too. So I'm kind of happy that I'm just parked up for right now. I'm going to catch back up with y'all in like, I don't know, 10 minutes probably. 10, 15 minutes. No biggie. All right, y'all. I went inside, got some motherfucking food and shit, but we're about to slide out. About to go park up. Show y'all the whips. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. We're in the parking lot. There's two old ass people right there walking, taking their jolly good old time. I need to put like a mid pipe or something on this thing. I think that's what she needs, low key. I ain't even gonna lie. That's a pediddle right there. I don't know if anyone is hip to that game. Let me know, man. Let me know down below. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, just disregard what the fuck I said. Nice little spot. And I'm about to get the car fucking T-boned, buddy. Nah, this is like a really, really fire spot. I should definitely host something down here. Definitely do like a photo shoot with some friends or something. I know y'all hear the burbles, bruh. I'm gonna do a lap so y'all can hear. I'm gonna park the car up where we usually park it up, you feel me? Get this nice view for y'all of the M4, bro. This car is beautiful. I love the G80 platform, the S58 platform, sorry, and just the G80, G82, G87 in general. I'm really excited for next video. Next video, you guys are gonna be like, what the fuck, Joey? Like, what the fuck did you do, bro? Or y'all won't, I don't know, but you know what I'm saying? The car looks so good. I mean, look at this. I'm not gonna lie, man. I really love the silhouette of this car. It's a beautiful, beautiful silhouette. It's just like, I don't know, man. It might sound fucking weird, but like, I don't know. Also, yeah, like, look at the sticker is different on this side than it is on the other side because the other one ripped off, bro. That expensive ass sticker. Here's the interior. As you guys can see in a 3-year-old car, the seats are not macked because I'm not fucking fat, bro. A lot of people be fucking up their seats and it blows my mind, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. But regardless, you guys can see this is the interior. Only got 9K on the dash. Beautiful car, man. I really love this thing. It has a ZF8. Also, I always flex this, but I changed the start button to yellow because, to be honest, the yellow kind of goes hard, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of fuck with it. But yeah, I got the groceries in the back, like I said. To be honest, too, I don't mind these seats in the G82, the normal ones, because you can't see the backs. But also the fronts are really stylish on this thing. But I just think that the backs tend to take away from the car because, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, they're not the carbon buckets. They're just like low-key the whale seats. But regardless, y'all, I hope you guys are enjoying this video today. I'm really enjoying making it. It's just chill. Like, I'm definitely gonna be doing more of these videos, so y'all just stay tuned, man. I just gotta wait. This week, there's a really big thing happening in my life, so I'm just really, really excited. It's another car, so I'm just super stoked, really excited to bring it to the channel and show you guys what's coming. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the car, though. I know you guys don't want to see my face. Look at this fucking car, bro. It's actually sexy. Sexy as a motherfucker. But nah, I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera up, get some motherfucking revs for you guys, and yeah, hope y'all enjoy that. All right, man, we're out of here. We're gonna stop beating on the car. It's like, nah, we're just gonna go ahead and dip, man. I do gotta grab some goddamn Advil. I have a headache, I ain't even gonna lie. I'll park crooked or in two fucking spots every day of the week. I don't care, bro. I will gladly add to the narrative of a double parker when it comes to a BMW driver. I do not care, bro. First, look at the DRLs. God damn. And then, yeah, nah, I'll add to that narrative any day. I'm happy to. I can't even lie. For those of y'all who are new to the channel, if y'all are new, you know what I'm saying? This is a Black Sapphire Metallic G82 M4 competition. It's got carbon everywhere. It's got a carbon hood. And this motherfucker rips. It's stage 1, 550 horses. People always ask why I don't do more to it. And the question, or the answer to that is, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this car is fast enough, bro. You don't need any more. It's fun how it is, bro. I can't lie. So. Y'all hear that shit? Why were the brakes heating up? What the fuck? Are the brakes wearing, bro? They heated up like a lot from that. I can't even lie. I might have to go and get this thing serviced in the next few days. No cap. Shit, I gotta reach out to my guy. The brakes were overheating like crazy, bro. What was that? Nah, we're just gonna cruise home though because there's too many deer and shit. But nah, we just got back to the crib. I'm gonna open up the garage door and everything. For y'all that don't know, this is what the carbon fiber hood looks like. It looks really good. It's just it's based after an OEM hood, so, you know, it looks really good. I can't lie. With the carbon roof and everything. Car looks nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the garage. I'll show y'all the garage if y'all are new. This is the 230. You feel me? This one's gonna be leaving us, like, this car literally is leaving this garage in like 2 days. And a new car is being replaced with it. So I hope you guys are excited for that and everything. And here we have a Z3, followed by the Z3 Spot and everything. As y'all can see, this is just a nice little humble abode, followed by the, I guess, the not so humble whips, but kind of humble. They're not. It's not like we go fucking OD with the cars or nothing. Just. We just like cars, you know? Give y'all a few revs before we dip. Car sounds so fucking good, bro. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, man. And then this nice little POV drive that we have for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. And yeah, next video we have a big reveal, so just stay tuned. It's a brand new car coming to the channel, and the most I'll say is that it has a 2 in it. So I'm gonna go ahead, catch y'all later, man. Thanks for coming through. Catch y'all. Peace.